So, all rise. Colin, please lead us in prayer. Amen. So, good afternoon, everyone. So, before you take your seat, please pick up some piece of trash under your chairs. Alright, let's check your attendance. Ahunin, Valeriano. So, very good since everyone is present. So, I have here classroom rules, and I want you to follow these. So our classroom rules is raise your hand if you want to answer. Always give your best, respect each other, and follow all the instructions. So I believe we have an assignments. And you pass it forward in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So before we proceed to our next topic, who can recall our topic yesterday? So, Kirby, very good. Our topic yesterday is all about verb. So, what is verb? Very good. Verb is an action word. So, any clarifications about our last topic? So, if none, I have here a video, and what you're going to do is you will watch and analyze the video and share your thoughts. So, based on the video that you have watched, so what did you observe? Yes? Very good. The lyrics of the song is have some verb. So, based on the video, can you guess our topic for today? Yes? Yes, Karin? Very good. It's all about active and passive voice. So before we discuss what is active and passive voice, please read our objectives for today. Then, the lesson, the students are able to correctly differentiate active and passive voice. Accurately construct sentences using active and passive voice through activity, and meaningfully recognize active and passive voice in daily communication. So before we proceed, I have here an activity. So I will show you a picture and you will analyze the picture and share your thoughts. Alright class? So here's the picture. So based on the picture 1, what did you observe? Yes? Very good. The picture 1 is the boy cleaning. And the picture 2, very good. The boy was chased by the dog. And the picture 3, yes, a boy that was singing. So let's discuss what is active. So what is active and passive? So active and passive voice are two grammatical voices in English, each with distinct structure and purpose. So we have an active voice. So what is active voice? So in active voice, it is the subject of the sentence that is performing the action. So it is the doer of the action. So for example, the dog chased the ball. And I bought bananas at the store today. So let's discuss what is passive voice. So in passive voice, it is the subject that receives the action. So it is the receiver of an action. So for example, let's translate the passive previous to, the active to passive that I given to you before. So our active voice is the dog chased the ball. So I will translate it to passive. The ball was chased by the dog. And the other one example is, banana were bought by me at the store today. So, did you understand class what is active and passive voice? Hence then, I have an activity. So, I will group you into 4. So this is the group 1, this is the group 2, the group 3, and the group 4. Now, what you're going to do is, you will tell the difference. I have here a bunch of sentence. For the group 1 and group 2, you will identify or you will categorize what is passive voice and this mini sentence. And for the group 3 and group 4, you will categorize the passive one. So I will give you 5 minutes to complete this activity. Your time starts now. So your 5 minutes is done. So what is active voice? Yes? Very good. Active voice is the receiver of an action. Now, here, what is passive voice? Very good. Passive voice is the receiver of an action. So how do you identify whether the sentence is in active and passive voice? Everyone? Anyone? Yes? Very good. Another one? Very good. So, how will you know the difference between active and passive voice? Yes? Very good. The active voice is the doer of an action. So, guys, what is passive voice? So, passive voice is the receiver of an action. So, who can give an example of active and passive voice? Anyone? From this row. Very good. And this one in this row, what is can you give an example of passive voice? So very good. since you understand clearly what is our topic for today, you clearly understand what is active and passive voice, we will have a quiz. Let's get some one sheet of paper. I will give you this test paper to answer. I will give you 5 minutes to answer. The 5 minutes starts now. So, the count of 5, you pass it in front. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, for your assignment, in your big notebook, please 5 active voice sentences and 5 passive voice sentences. So that's end our lesson, our class today. Thank you and goodbye class.